Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Morsu. Today, I will share how to remove your photo background and keep that image in high quality. So dear viewers, don't make a late, let's get started. Go to remove.bg. Upload your image. We choose Download HD. We need 1 credit to download HD. Now, we will download temp mail from Play Store. Open and create a new email by tapping change button. Copy this email and sign up with it. Paste it here, and password can be anything. Go to temp mail to verify. Verified, and your balance is 1 credit now. Download and get wow. Need another? Just log out and follow same process again. If you like this video, then start social work. Thanks for watching Tech Morsu. Bye bye.